Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we are going to see how to read the file. So, in our previous video, we have seen how to open the file and the different modes in which we can open the file. And now we are going to look into the options about reading the files. So, what are the different options that are available in reading the files? So, we have a sample file in our directory which is having 5 lines. So it starts with the first line as test file to open, first line, second line, and third line, and the final line. So this is the content inside our sample file, and it is a text file. So we'll open a Jupyter node in which we're going to specify a variable called read file, and there's a function called open. And we're going to pass the file name, which is sample file.txt, and I'm going to open them in the read format, the read mode. So the moment I run this code, the Python interpreter will open the sample file and it assigned to the variable called read file. Let's run the program and check this out. Yeah, so if you wanted to read the entire content inside the file in a single go, and you want them in a string, the entire content is read as a string in a single go. In that case, you will call a function called .read. So how to do that? First we call the variable, then use the dot operator and you call the function read. The moment I run the code, the Python interpreter will read the entire content inside the file, the read file. Let's run the program and check this out. And yes, if you guys notice, the entire content inside the file is read in a single go and it is read as a string. So what if I want the entire content is inside the list, where each line is the object of the list? How do I do that? In that case, we have another function called read lines. So let's see how to do that. I'm just copy pasting it to save a couple of minutes. So read files. I changed the variable to files. Read files dot. Sorry guys. Read lines. Read lines. Yep. The moment I run the program, the Python interpreter will read the entire content inside the file and put them into a list. Let's run the program and check this out. And yes, if you guys noticed, the entire content inside the file is put inside a list and each line is specified as an object. What if I wanted to read only single line and I don't want to read the entire file? It can be done using another function called readLine. Let's see how it works. So I'm just going to copy paste the open function and readLine. So I call the variable dot operator and readLine function. So if I run this line, the Python interpreter will display only the first line as an output. Let's run the program and check this out. And yes, only the first line has been displayed. What if you wanted to display the second line? It's simple. You just run this code. There's another time. If you hit the run button, the Python interpreter will display the second line in our file. Let's run the program and check this out. And yes, it is. So these are the various options that are available when you wanted to read the file. I believe you guys understood how to read the file in detail. See you guys in the next video.